Day 25 of some renovations here at Tito Jeff's house in Ormoc City, Leyte the Philippines, with the lovely and most guapa Maricel. A guy, say hello. Take your mask down, Maricel. There we go. Get to see Maricel. She's so pretty. So since my last update, I've been in the hospital for 3 days. I got some gastroenteritis and got dehydrated, and now I'm back and healthy and feeling good. So they have finished our garage. We're still working on some cemento on the posts, making the posts look good. Right here, this post. And over here, we have Rico digging up our garden. We've cut down this tree right here this morning. Was a tree right there. Jacinto cut it down. Ongoy Jacinto climbed the tree and cut it down. Ongoy means monkey. Jacinto is a tree climber. He climbs coconut trees. Sometimes he makes tuba, which is coconut wine. He's a hard-working man. So they're digging this up, and we're going to pour a concrete slab here instead of having dirt and gravel. And this will be kind of a gathering area. Maricel kind of hopes to put a little swimming pool out here for the kids, a little plastic swimming pool when we have family over. And so we're going to pour that slab today. We just bought some more bags of Portland cement for that project. Here's our beautiful porch furniture, the terrace, and I really like that. So we got it completed. The terrace is complete. Different angles here. This is going to be a really nice place, and it already is. I've been sitting out here in the evenings, relaxing. Cool breeze comes through the terrace here, makes kind of a breezeway, and it's just really nice. So let's go back here. We bought some bamboo. Actually, I don't think they bought it. They just went to the mountains and cut down some bamboo and split it, and they brought that in for the purpose of repairing the Buhay Kubo back here. Okay. So this is made of bamboo slats right here and cocoa wood, and it's really rotten and pretty bad shape. So we're gonna strip this out and remodel it, and this would be a really nice place for a family to come sit and relax and have dinner together. And I made a previous video. This is our little rooster buddy. One of my brothers-in-law brought his young rooster to court my chicken. We have a chicken here, and she's been sitting on eggs during the renovation, and we thought, well, maybe we would have some baby chicks. But then we realized, there's not been a rooster in this yard to fertilize the eggs. So she was sitting on eggs for no reason. They never did hatch. So we got rid of the eggs, and my brother-in-law, Roy, has brought his little rooster, and the manok, our little hen. She's just really happy to have the rooster around. She's been strutting around and preening, and they're having a good time together. So hopefully we'll have some fertilized eggs soon. Hunt around here. Let's go inside and the dirty kitchen. And we got Nai, the guapa Nai. We got Roy painting. And that's Roland drilling some holes. Hello, Roland. Hello. Because Roland built some cabinets for us. And they're getting ready to come forward. And he's installing cabinet doors in the bottom here. It's going to look really nice, be very functional, and just make a nice kitchen. Okay. So let's go inside the house here. You've probably seen already we have ceiling fans. But you haven't seen the curtains that Maricel has put up here in the living room, and she's not finished yet. We just went and bought some more. So we're going to put up curtains today. So it's looking really nice in here. Very comfortable. The ceiling fan makes it comfortable. And I'm starting to enjoy the house now, the renovations. It's a nice, comfortable, relaxing house to live in. So that's it for day, what did I say, 25? Day 25 of renovations at the house here in Ormoc City. And you can see our sand pile is almost gone. The gate has been painted black. And the little circles inside are painted gold. And it's kind of hard to see in this light, but it looks really nice. Day 25, renovations, Tito Jeff's house, Ormoc City, Leyte the Philippines.